If you are seeing this screen, it means you are facing establishment a database connection error in WordPress. That's how to fix it quickly within 2 minutes. All right, I am on my local host, and now let's jump into the fix. First of all, I am going to my WordPress files, and if I go to my wp-config.php file, and I can check if my credentials are fine or not. All right, so if you see, I have migrated my site, but my database name is still pointing to backup, while in my actual system I have moved my database to named as Slate. So now I will be adding my correct working database name, and also in your case you can check if your user and password names are properly added as well. Also, if in case your local host is present in some other host, so you have to make sure this path is also valid. All right, so now I have changed my proper database name. Now try to open my site once again if that fixes the issue. All right, so site is loading. It looks like it will be working fine because earlier site was trying to connect to a database which was not actually present at all, because that database name was coming from my old backup files. All right, so now we have modified the database to a working name of the MySQL database. So let's see what happens next. All right, so it looks like our database is working now. We have found some issue. For that, we can check and investigate the issue. So let me try to just refresh again, because it looks like something. Okay, perfect. So indeed it was working, and maybe our files are not loaded properly. So whenever you are facing WordPress error establishing a database connection error, there are many reasons. In our case, at the moment, that was due to a old database name, and I was facing an issue after the migration. So in the next video, I will be showing you more issues which can also be there to generate this error. All right, see you in the next video.